Gilbert Artishka. I'm a communications professional. I got an opportunity to meet an intersex by names of Tom Bakundi. There's a mixed reaction of opinions about those people. In some societies, intersexuality is viewed as a curse. Some people think that to be an intersex may be traditionally didn't please the gods. That's why you have to be born intersex. People see them as outliers and outcasts. People don't respect intersexuality, everything. They take it as a curse, and they take it as something not impressive in society. They don't even want to talk about it. Some parents, when they produce their children and they are intersex, they hide them from the public. You find they have enclosed them in certain rooms. They don't want people to see them, and they don't want those children to enjoy their rights like the normal children, those ones who are not intersex. You find they are hidden. They are not. Some parents deny them chances of going to schools. Even they are sick, they don't want to walk around with them, take to hospital. They don't give them chance to go to church because they see them as outliers in society. Yeah, it's a very big problem that requires government intervention. Because first of all, being intersex doesn't deprive you of your right to live and right to enjoy each and everything that you're entitled to. But when people are born intersex, society tries to deprive them the right of enjoying other entitlements of theirs. You find they are not given right to education, most especially because the parents also feel ashamed or annoyed because of having intersex kids. They end up confining them in their homes, and also the government can come in to draft favorable policies. For example, in all the government institutions and ministries, there's nothing catered for like intersexuality. When they are talking about gender, they have either male or female. They don't know that also that third gender called intersexuality, which needs to be catered for. Sometimes those people, like I can say, they have like low self-esteem. Being born intersex, having two sexual organs is seen as a curse. So they have that low self-esteem, and they need their privacy. You find they have made, for example, urinals and toilets for just male and female. They don't cater for them. Those people, when they want to use themselves, they don't want to use the same things like, let's say, male use or female use, because they see what they are owning is not what their friends were created, and they feel like embarrassed to be seen. So the government must come in and provide for them, put their special entitlements for those people. First of all, you have to accept that sex exists before you bring in the surgery. If you accept that sex also exists, that's when you bring in the surgery and it will be effective. But if you are the government, don't accept that sex exists. Even if you bring the surgery, people will shun it. Because first of all, there will be no motivation on the part of the government. Because you are the government, you don't believe that sex exists. So even if you bring the surgery, even the government workers won't be so motivated to start doing the surgery on the patients, and still the patients also won't feel like they are part of it. First of all, the government has to come out and interact with the patients. Let me say the intersexes themselves. They interact with them, they talk to them, they develop strategies for them to make sure they feel that they are loved, they are part of the government, and they are loved in the society. So when they are loved in the society, even if the government brings the surgery, it will be easy for those people to come out and start taking up the surgery because they'll be feeling they are okay, they are loved in the society. They should stop viewing intersex as a curse. They should come out. If someone is born intersex, you accept it, you motivate them, you bring them up, loving their lives, you don't hide them from the public because it's their right to live. Then if you accept them, it will be easier for them to mingle with the public and not feel shy about it. Also, the government must intensify the surgery, as it said, it's surgery to make sure people are put in line with the most dominant gender of theirs. They should intensify the surgery so that we can have people enjoying their rights, not being intersex.